How to add indicator on MetaTrader 4. Are you guys facing issues to add indicator on your MetaTrader 4 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your device. Once you open the app, now tap on indicator icon. Once you tap on it, now click on main window. Over here, you will be provided with multiple indicators. Choose it according to your preference. For example, if you want to add moving average, tap on moving average and click on done. Once you click on it, your moving average indicator will be applied on a chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add indicators on MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.